All right, this is going to be Soulshine by the Allman Brothers band. This was written by Warren Haynes. He also plays this in his solo band and in his Gov't mule band quite a bit. Great tune. It's really in B flat. You could put a capo on the 3rd fret, but I'm going to give you these easier chords, and we're going to work it from there. And I've got my own kind of way of doing the lead that's a little different than his, but he would always improvise that lead based on a basic kind of melodic structure anyway. So here we go. 3, 4. Okay, so our strum is basically, we got G chord, we got down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So once again, that was down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Switch to D. Up, down, 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 C. You could hit that last up if you want. Down, 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 up, down, up. Start the G again. This time we're going E minor, 2 beats, kind of F, back to G. Okay, we'll do the intro one more time. 3 and 4 and down, up, down, 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 up, down. Again. E minor, F. Okay, now the verse is going to go. Kind of a down, down, up, down switch. We do that 3 times. Now this 4th time, we're gonna have that E minor F come back. Now we have the longer G. This is the chorus, Soulshine. Do it again, G again. E minor, F. Okay, so it has a verse and a chorus, and then another verse and a chorus. It just does the same stuff. So we're gonna look at this melody from the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that's kind of how I do it, and that's a range for the baritone ukulele. On guitar, you can get up into that higher octave and stuff. So I kind of start up in the kind of middle range, and I work up to the high notes. Okay, so let's check out this lead here. We got hammer, O to 2 in the D, G, G, back to that 2, 2 slides into that 4. So we hold that a bit, and then 1 and 3 down here. 2 to 4 and back, and then a quick one all the way to the open there. 2 back to open. We're gonna do a little pull off there, so the whole thing. Okay, so that last part, da 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 dee da da. Now, so that's 3 to 4 in the G, little 3 twice, and then again 5 3, 4-2 open. So. Now we're getting up here, 7 to 9 on the G. Back and forth with that 8 on the second string. 10 to 12 there. And then I do 3 notes here. We go 10, 12, and back to 10. So that's 8, 9, 10. And then we do this kind of fast one back. And then we'll pull off. Do that 10 into 12. Okay, so that slides 10 to 12. And then down to that 8, and then 11 to 8. And then I do a little double string slide here before the verse starts. So coming up to the high part again, we got. Okay, then you're in a verse. So let's go to the bridge now. The bridge is going to go to E minor. C. C again. Back to G. Now we got B minor. C. And then we're going to have F to D. Into like a solo section for that. Okay, then the solo extends to doing the bridge again. So let's go ahead and do the bridge one more time. E minor, C, C to G, B minor to C, and then F to D. 3, 4. Chords for the chorus. C to G. G again. We got that E minor F. And that just kind of repeats. I kind of hold that chord live, do a little guitar fills kind of stuff. Kind of hold the E minor actually. And then you get into the. That's kind of based off one of their live versions. So it's like a quarter notes, and there's a little melody that hits up here. Da-dum, 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 dum, dum. Kind of a D to G there. All right, Soulshine by Warren Haynes, Allman Brothers Band. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.